In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable and stop sync OneDrive on your Windows 11. Let's begin by taking a close look at your taskbar. You'll notice there are various icons on the right-hand side, and among them should be a small cloud icon, which represents OneDrive. Go ahead and give that icon a click. By doing so, you will open up a small window with additional options related to OneDrive. Now, within this window, direct your eyes to the top right corner where you'll spot a gear icon. This gear icon signifies the settings menu. Click on it to move forward. When you click on this, you'll be presented with a list of options. Keep an eye out for the one labeled Settings and select it. This choice will guide you to a more detailed settings menu specifically for OneDrive. Next, you need to navigate to the Account tab within this settings menu. This particular tab is going to display various options relating to the account settings of OneDrive. Click on it to unveil another set of options. Once you're there, you should be able to see a button labeled Choose Folders. Clicking on this button will allow you to manage which folders are being synced between your PC and OneDrive. In the list that appears, you'll notice checkboxes positioned next to different folder names. Each of these checkboxes determines whether a particular folder is being synchronized to the cloud. If you wish to stop OneDrive from syncing specific folders that you no longer want in the cloud, all you have to do is uncheck the respective boxes next to those folders. After you've carefully made your selections and unchecked all the folders you don't wish to sync, take a moment to review your changes. It's very important to ensure that you've selected only those folders you really want to stop syncing. Once you're satisfied with your choices, go ahead and click OK to save your changes. And just like that, you've successfully disabled the sync feature for specific folders in OneDrive on your Windows 11 computer. This process should enable you to manage your files with greater efficiency and ensure that only the ones you want are kept both on your PC and in the cloud. I hope this guide has been beneficial in demonstrating how simple it is to take control of your OneDrive settings. If you found this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips. Thank you for watching, and happy computing!